In this video, I'll walk you through how to sync your mobile contacts to your Google account directly from your desktop. On my desktop, I opened Google Chrome and clicked on the account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, I selected Manage My Google Account. This opened my Google account interface, and from the menu on the left side, I clicked People and Sharing. I scrolled down a little until I found the Contacts section. Here I clicked Contact Info, saved from Interactions, and made sure the checkbox was ticked. Then I pressed the back arrow and clicked on Contact Info from your devices, and I ticked that checkbox as well. Next, I went back and clicked on Contacts. At first, no contacts appeared because I hadn't finished syncing from my mobile yet. Once the sync was complete, I clicked Reload, and all my contacts appeared instantly. And that's how you can easily sync your mobile contacts to your Google account from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future tech tips.